Alright, today we had a pretty good day. I went grill shopping with my dad. It was a good day. We went all over the place in Beaumont. All to find a good grill. I had to replace this thing here. It's a little rusted. Holes down there. I've only had it about 3.5 years. It was good for the time I had it. But today with the Beaumont, and I picked up one of these. It's a Vision grill. It's actually relatively easy to put together. It's heavy as hell, but it was easy to put together. All in all, pretty good day. Tomorrow's Father's Day, and I really enjoyed spending time with him. Just him and I going to store. Yeah, with these Vision grills, they say you can't use lighter fluid. So picked up one of these to start the charcoal. Worked out pretty well. Right now it's up to 300 degrees. I decided to use the old grate from the old char griller for now because it still has some life left, and it's actually cast iron, so it looks like it'll work out alright. Just notice this. Yeah, that's on there pretty good. Oh yeah, that'll work out alright. Heavy duty. Yeah, today was a pretty good day. We probably went to... Alright, we started out going to Ace Hardware. All they had was your, generic Weber's and gas grills, stuff like that. Then from there we went to Walmart. And Walmart, they had a Vision grill, but it was probably $80 or $90 more than the one I bought. From Walmart, we went to Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply had nothing but gas grills and just cheap generic grills. From there, we went to another Ace Hardware, Ritter Lumber, and their grills were, the run-of-the-mill grill. Nothing that I was looking for. I was looking for one of the kamado style ceramic. From there, we went to Academy. Academy had a nice grill. It was $5.96. It looked to be the same kind of build quality as this Vision grill. Of course, they're all copied after the Big Green Egg. That grill, I don't remember the name of it, but the one thing I didn't like about it was having to scoop out the coals, not the coals, but the ashes. Having to scoop out the ashes, you actually had to take everything out just to get to the ashes. But with the Vision style, or the Vision grill, you can go down here and somehow this comes out and you can take your ashes. You dump the ashes out. There we go. And it's actually cool, even though it says, what, 350 degrees? It'd probably get hotter if I would have just left it open. But anyway, from Academy, I said it was a decent grill, but I couldn't see spending $100 more. By the time we went to Academy, we went to HEB. HEB had a Vision grill just like that one, but it had a Texas flag on it, which was really cool. It was $60 more than that one from Sam's. From HEB, we went to Sam's, and they were... only thing they had on there on the floor was the floor model, and it was all beat up. It looked like someone dropped it, but luckily they had one up high, and so they found it for me, pulled it down, brought it to the front, loaded it up in the back of the truck, and brought it home, put it together. It's kind of neat. I hope it serves me better than my old rust bucket over there. It looks like it's mostly ceramic and stainless steel with the wooden shelves. It should be pretty cool. On the menu for tonight, try out my new grill. That's my beef jerky. Some good old ribeyes and a little bit of filet. Making some jerky here. I think it's just about done. Alright. Let's go check on the grill. Yeah, it's about ready. Decided to use my old grate instead of the brand new one. This one still has life in it. I figure I'll use it instead of messing up the new. It actually fit in there perfectly. Looks like this thing's ready to go. Get some good old ribeyes and fillets. Let's give them for the first flip. See that sizzle? Oh yeah. Good looking steaks. Wish it was brighter out here for you, but we're cooking. I'm going to do this daily, I think. Make a daily blog and just upload it. So, you know, kids, when you guys get older, look back on this and you can see a day in the life of your dad. Alright. Y'all have a good day.